Don't cry. Aunt Josephine is in a better place. It's hard not to cry.
Get this? My makeup. Getting all over.
Yes, you girls.
Crying, we're depressed. Why? What are you laughing at?
I'm crying. I just look happy right now.
Don't we all? That's not creepy looking.
Spooky.
Spooky.
Okay, come. Mia. Okay. Look, I grew now.
Say bye.
Couple of inches.